With these hot Texas summers, we get calls all the time from customers asking, what do I do if my AC unit freezes up? Well, here's what we want to start with, right? So if our air conditioning unit is freezing up, what we want to do is we want to shut the cooling for the air conditioning off, but we want to run the fan so that it will help thaw the ice off, okay? So on your thermostat, typically what you'll see is the unit is cooling. Typically you'll also see that it is hotter in the room than the set point, because when the units are freezing up, they're not cooling very well. So one of the things we want to do is we want to change this to cool on to off, right? So if you go to the mode setting, these three buttons on the bottom of here, one is mode, which is cooling, heating, and off. One of them is fan. So we want to go to this mode button right here. If we press it once, we see the cool indicator light up. If we press it twice, it goes to emergency heat, then to off, and then a heat, and then back to cool. So it just cycles through those settings, right? We want to go to the off setting. We're wanting the air conditioning portion of our system to turn off, right? Now, that keeps the unit from continuing to freeze up. But now we want to start defrosting our coil that has already frozen up. One good way to do that is by taking your fan. There is a fan button. If you press this button, you'll see it says fan off or fan auto. The fan auto function turns the indoor fan in the attic on when the AC unit kicks on. And when the AC unit kicks off, when the thermostat's satisfied, it turns the indoor fan off in the attic. However, you can run that fan by itself just to circulate air. So what we want to do is we want to change it from fan auto. We want to hit the fan button and switch it to fan on. When we do that, it's going to turn the fan in the attic equipment on, which is going to circulate warm air from the house being warm across that evaporator coil and help thaw that frozen coil out. So if your system is frozen up, then typically there are two primary causes of that. First one, it could be just as simple as your air filter needs to be changed. The second reason is a refrigerant issue. So sometimes these systems leak, and when they start leaking refrigerant, then they start freezing up. That's when you call out the big guns. So we get these calls all the time in our local area: Cedar Hill, Duncanville, DeSoto, Midlothian. If you have one of these issues in our local area, give Dial 1 a call. We'll get you taken care of.